Alright guys, plugging the old John Deere 212 in for some live support. We got it running on 15 amps, so we should be able to crank it here in a minute. So the last time this was started was December, so we'll see what happens. There goes the battery. Got a 20 horse twin. This is an L111. So didn't want to crank. I'll put it about half throttle, full choke. Come on, girl. Crank them cylinders. This motor does have 310.4 hours on it. It's been a pretty good mower to us. We've only put about 100 of those hours on now. About 150 actually. We got it with 173 point something. I don't remember, 0.6 or something. Alright, let's try cranking her again. Holy shit. What the hell? Alright, well, we'll try cranking it again. Come on, bro. Wow. What the hell is going on there? Well, I'm gonna let the charge build up for a little bit, and damn, she's sure liking to pop. Got a little bit of smoke. Damn. Alright, full choke, no throttle. Wait till she really gets charged up, then she'll crank and fire right up. Beautiful day. Sounds like a new one. We abuse our lawn directors out here quite badly. Got the pedal hydro. Be nice. Alright, now it's time to work. I'm on the bait off. I'm gonna let it sit and run, just so I can build up some charge again in those batteries. I can't whistle, what the crap, sorry. should be off right here. Most of this stuff will be on within a couple weeks. I gotta get crap there and over there. Crap's full. That. She's sputtering a little for some reason. We'll come back to that stuff. Garbage stuff. Crap. Move. There we go. That looks about everything that we're going to have to burn. This mower sounds good when you really press the throttle and it throttles up. It sounds good. Take it to the burn pile. There's my chickens there. I currently have 7 eggs incubating right now, so I'm going to add to them tomorrow. Get more eggs. Make some videos with chicks. Place just figure that's not safe for a little kid or that. Sputtering. You cannot kill this thing by turning the choke on. I'll make it worse. I'll press the choke back a little bit farther. There's some slow idle. Look at all that smoke. It's burning my eyes. You won't travel off. She's sure is smoking, can't really tell. There we go. That governor is kicking. Fell back up on the here. I know we're hard on it, but it's a pretty good mower, especially since we're not a big fan of John Deere's, because they're pretty much just paying triple the price for green paint. So, with the bull crap there, but can't complain for $850 is what we paid for it last year. It had 173 hours on it. So cannot complain. Alright, it's getting kind of boring video, I'm guessing. But see y'all later. Have a nice one and subscribe.